How to get vivid filter back on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Are you missing the vivid filter on your shiny new iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max? You're not alone. A lot of users are scratching their heads and wondering, where did it go? But don't worry, I've got you covered. When you take a photo on your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max and open it in the Photos app to edit, the good old vivid filter is just gone. So what's going on? Well, with the iPhone 16 series, Apple decided to replace the classic filter options with something called photographic styles. It's a cool idea for pro users, but if you're like me and love the vivid filter, this change can feel like a downgrade. But don't worry, I found a super simple way to bring it back. First, open your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on camera. Now find the option called Formats and tap on it. Here you'll see two choices under camera capture, high efficiency and most compatible. To enable the vivid filter, switch it to most compatible option. Yep, it's that easy. Once you've done that, the vivid filter will be back in your editing options. Let me show you how it works. I'm opening the camera app, snapping a quick photo and heading over to the Photos app to edit. And guess what? The vivid filter is back, along with all the classic filters you know and love. Now what if you want to apply the vivid filter to older photos you've already taken? Don't worry. Here's a quick trick for that too. First, take a new photo and apply the vivid filter to it. After, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Copy Edit. Then go to any older photo, tap the three dots again and select Paste Edit. And just like that, the vivid filter is applied to your older pictures. It's super easy and you can batch edit photos this way to save time. However, you cannot set the vivid filter as a default photographic style on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. This quick settings tweak makes it available again. Plus, with the copy and paste trick, you can easily apply it to older photos too. So that's basically how you can get vivid filter back on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.